Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by prepping power and connections. Charge the case and both AirPods to at least 50% so intermittent power isn't the issue. Turn off Bluetooth on your phone and nearby devices to avoid automatic pairing interference. Once done, open the case with the AirPods inside and bring it close to your phone. This forces a fresh connection attempt. Make sure to note whether the left or right bud is silent, because that helps later steps and prevents guessing during the reset. Next, forget the AirPods in your phone's Bluetooth settings and remove them from any paired device lists so prior profiles won't block reconnection. While Bluetooth is off, inspect and gently clean the charging contacts on each bud and inside the case with a 70% isopropyl wipe. Dirt often causes single-side failure. Then perform a factory reset. Press and hold the case button for about 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber and then white. Reopen and repair, watching which bud After pairing, immediately play a stereo test track and check the iPhone accessibility audio balance. Move it to center so both buds should output equally. If one AirPod remains silent, check for available firmware updates by keeping them connected to an iPhone and charging near it. Updates can fix audio routing bugs. If that fails, try the bud in another case or device to isolate hardware faults. If still unresolved, contact manufacturer support for service or replacement. That's the final step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.